It has never been more important to deliver information to business users throughout your organization, and DecisionPoint's interactive dashboards and information apps are the perfect way to achieve this. However, the need to access all sorts of data, both on-premise and in the cloud, can prove to be a significant challenge. And that is why DecisionPoint and the Progress-specific Data Direct Cloud are such a powerful combination. Data Direct Cloud provides standardized access to all your data sources, on-premise and in the cloud, leaving DecisionPoint to take care of creating stunning, interactive, no training required interfaces. So in a matter of minutes, it's possible to go from disparate data to fully interactive, drillable, easy to access information like this, which can be viewed on the desktop or on a mobile device. So wherever people are, they have immediate fingertip access to the information they need to be more efficient. In addition, both Data Direct Cloud and DecisionPoint provide point-and-click interfaces, so from end to end the process is easy, efficient and code-free. Setting up a connection in the Data Direct Cloud could not be simpler. Select the source, in this case the Google Analytics Cloud, name the connection, in this case Google Test, and then authenticate with the Google Analytics service using existing Google account credentials. Then test and save. We can then point to the Data Direct Cloud connection from the DecisionPoint server and define a query which will return the data we want to retrieve from the Google Analytics platform. Once the DecisionPoint query is set up, we give the connection we just defined as its data source, specify the data that is to be retrieved from Google, add some formatting to the objects which are returned, and finally define our drill hierarchies. So with just a few clicks we have set up a connection from a cloud-based data service through the Data Direct Cloud into DecisionPoint. Now all we have to do is define our dashboard, and again this process is very straightforward. In the designer we select the connection we just set up and then simply drag components onto the canvas. The first view is page views by date, but we want to be able to restrict the month we will be looking at. We also want to be able to drill through the region hierarchy which we defined in the query. We then add an overview summary to the top right of the dashboard, which will initially show users, page views, and sessions. But we also want to add page views per session, which was not defined in the underlying data, so we simply add it as a calculation in DecisionPoint. Page views divided by sessions. But page views by time is not the only view that we want, so we will temporarily cut the chart out of the dashboard and add a view stack to allow the user to navigate between views by time and by region. We expand the view to resize the view stack, and in the first pane we paste back the chart. Then in the second view we add a chart, this time by country, but only showing the top 30 countries, and sorting by the number of users to give the classic long tail view. We then add a table to give numeric details, and we're done. In a few short minutes we have created an interactive dashboard, an information app which allows us to navigate different views of the data and drill into lower levels of detail based on a cloud data source brokered through Data Direct Cloud without writing a single line of code. Given a few more minutes, we could add more polish to give a more engaging, tailored look and feel with other different views of the data, but all the time retaining the easy-to-use, no training required interface for the end user, both in a desktop browser and on a mobile device. Take a free trial today to see for yourself how easy it is to deliver information to business users across your organization using interactive dashboards and information apps created with DecisionPoint.